Ano pong steps na ginagawa ng office niyo po regarding sa sinasabing mas mahal po yung travel, yung mga hotels niyo po as compared sa other countries?
Hotels or
Yes,
airfare?
airfare, hotels, sa pag-travel po dito sa Philippines as compared to other countries.
Sa pagkakaalam ko, yung chief na concern is the high price of airfare. And that is why nakipag-ugnayan na po tayo sa Department of Transportation dahil sila naman po yung primary agency na may mandato to determine the transport of the country. We have also coordinated with the Civil Aeronautics Board as well as our private airline partners. And there, nirelay po natin yung concerns ng ating mga kababayan na medyo meron nga pong mga destinations na mahal yung airfare. Yung meeting po namin last year ay nagbigay po ng commitment yung Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, pati na rin po yung AirAsia na yung top 2 na pinakamahal na price buckets nila ay tatanggalin po nila. And we insisted on the part of the Department of Tourism nga nararapat lang po na magkaroon tayo ng monthly publication of price index sa airfares. And that this be fully transparent and that the Civil Aeronautics Board strictly enforce clear guidelines in terms of price ceilings. So we're hopeful that with the quick action of the CAB and with our coordination with the DOTR, mabibigyan po ito ng solusyon. But I'd like to clarify na hindi naman po lahat ng destinations ang Pilipinas na ganun kamahal po yung airfare. So there are very many competitive destinations in the Philippines. As far as Cebu is concerned, because of our partnerships and our focus on routes development, there were no less than 12 new international flights coming into Cebu. So that shows the growing connectivity of this very beautiful province.